In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create detailed account breakdowns in Xero reports. By the end, you'll know how to add a clear, organized breakdown to your profit and loss report, so you can see exactly which accounts make up a total and present that detail cleanly to your team or stakeholders. Start by logging into Xero. From the main dashboard, head to the top navigation and click Reporting. This is your hub for all standard and custom reports. For this walkthrough, open the Profit and Loss report. It's a great place to showcase account-level detail because you can group or separate income and expense accounts in a way that matches how you manage your business. Once the report opens, click Edit Layout. This is where you customize the structure of the report without changing your underlying data. Think of it as rearranging how information is displayed so it's easier to interpret. At the top toolbar, click the Schedule icon. This tool adds a dedicated section designed specifically for account breakdowns. Right away, you'll see a new untitled schedule section appear in the layout. This is your canvas for the detailed view. Look to the right side Details panel. Here, you can control the schedule's settings and how it appears on the report. Rename the schedule under row heading with a clear, meaningful title. Pick something that communicates the purpose, like a product line, a cost center, or a group of related expenses. A descriptive name makes the report easier to scan and understand later. Next, click Add Accounts. You'll be able to pick exactly which accounts belong in this breakdown. Select the accounts you want included. It's helpful to choose accounts that share a common theme so the breakdown tells a cohesive story. If you include too many, it can become cluttered, so focus on what you actually need to analyze or present. If you select an account by mistake, simply deselect it before moving on. Take a moment to review the new account breakdown section. Confirm that the accounts you selected are listed as expected and that the totals align with what you want to display. This is your chance to ensure the layout is clean, the title makes sense, and the section truly adds clarity to the report. When you're happy with the setup, click Update Layout. Your customized schedule is now part of the report and ready to use. You've just created a detailed account breakdown inside your Xero report, making your financials more organized, transparent, and easier to discuss with your team.